My top 5 makeup products, all under £5 and all cruelty free. Starting with the Relove Super Serum Foundation. Feels, like the name would suggest, like a serum, but gives great coverage if you want something that feels like absolutely nothing on your skin, but that will cover over everything that you need it to cover. Especially if you have dry skin, I cannot recommend this one enough. Absolutely fantastic and only £5. For a concealer, this one I cannot get enough of. This is the 17 Second Skin Enhancing Concealer. Really brightens up around the eyes, will cover over anything, but again, feels really lightweight, perfect for this time of year, and only £2. For blush, of course, I have 2 options, because would it even be me if I only picked one? First up, a liquid option. This is the MUA Blushed Liquid Blusher, specifically in this shade, which is Misty Rose. If you're on my sort of skin tone, this gives the perfect pinch of like sunburnt colour to the cheeks that's perfect at this time of year, and it's only £3. To top it off, I love this one from Collection. So these are the Collection Soft Glow blushes, specifically this shade, which is 2 Bashful. Gives a beautiful glowy finish to the cheeks without looking chunky or glittery. And then to finish off the look, it has to be these bite-size shadow palettes from ELF. I have every single shade, I do believe, but this is the one that I reach for the most. This is Psychedelic Dreams, the teal shade. In this palette is everything that my summer is about. The shimmers are beautiful, the mattes are so pigmented. I absolutely love these, can't get enough. If you want to see more makeup reviews just like this, subscribe down below. It's always cruelty free, it's always affordable on a Monday, a Wednesday and a Friday.